Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to explore the beauty and benefits of polished granite countertops. These stunning surfaces are not only durable but also add a touch of elegance to any kitchen or bathroom. In this video we will dive into the world of polished granite countertops, their features, maintenance, and why they are a popular choice for homeowners. Let's get started. Polished granite countertops are a favorite among homeowners and designers due to their natural beauty and exceptional durability. Granite is an igneous rock from volcanic activity and consists mainly the quartz, feldspars, and other minerals. When polished, its surface showcases a unique blend of colors, patterns, and depth. One of the main advantages of polished granite countertops is their remarkable durability. Granite is highly resistant to scratches, heat, and stain, making it ideal for busy kitchens and bathrooms. Its hardness ensures that your countertop will maintain its lustrous appearance for years to come, even with regular uses. Polished granite countertops offer endless possibilities. When it comes to design, a variety of colors and patterns available allow you to choose a granite slab that perfectly complement your kitchen and bathroom decor. Whether you prefer a classic speckled appearance or a bold design, there is a polished granite countertops to suit your style. Maintaining polished granite countertops is relatively simple. Regular cleaning with a mild soap and water solution keep them looking their best. It is time to avoid using abrasive cleaners and acidic substances that can damage the surface. Additionally, applying a granite sealer periodically helps protect the countertops from stains and enhance its shine. Polished granites countertops not only provide a functional workspace but also become a stunning focal point in your kitchen or bathrooms. They can be paired with a range of cabinetry styles and colors, allowing you to create a cohesive and visual appealing surface. So that is all about today's video. We hope you enjoy this explanation. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more amazing content like this.